Many people say Pu-erh tea tastes bitter, but most of the time it's just brewed wrong for brick or cake tea. Let it rest 1 to 2 weeks before brewing. The flavor develops. Mine's the tea, too. Water ratio. Not too much. Not too little. Choose the right teaware. Yixing clay or Jian Shui vessels works. Best I'll use high temperature water. Wait for a full boil before pouring. And pour at a fixed point. Don't pour directly on leaves or swirls. Steeping time. Shorts for early infusions. Up to 1 minute later. Max 2 minutes. Rest between brews so tea and pot. Cool slightly before the 10th brew. Pour out each infusion completely. No need to pick. Phoenix 3-point leaves. Follow these steps and your Pu-erh will brew smooth, layered, and delicious.